Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be exploring how to use external CSS to style HTML. First, let's create a subfolder and a new file inside it called styles.css. So right-click on the Explorer window and click New Folder. Call this CSS. Then inside it, right-click on that folder, New File, styles.css. Back in the index.html file, let's remove the style attribute from the h1 element. If you were following along from the previous video about inline CSS. Otherwise, pause the video and take a moment to add this HTML to your index.html file. To make it easier to recreate this, remember to use the shortcut for the boilerplate code, which is just exclamation mark and tab. Now let's add a link to our inline CSS file. To add the link, we will place a link tag with an attribute rel, which is set to equal to style sheet, and the href is going to point to our CSS file, which is in the CSS folder and called styles.css. Save and open up Live Server if you don't already have it open. Inside the styles.css file, we're going to add some CSS to turn the H1 heading blue, which is the CSS intro here. So I'm going to say H1, open curly brackets, and I'm going to say color, colon, blue, semicolon, save. Looking in the browser, you should see that the heading is now blue. And that's how you use external CSS to style your HTML. By separating your CSS code into an external file, you can make your code more maintainable and scalable over time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.